Dubai's new luxury project. Everywhere you turn in Dubai, a city recognized for its spectacular design, you'll see stunning buildings including one of the tallest buildings in the world, the most opulent hotel, and space-age buildings that defy gravity. However, a new structure that will be constructed surrounding the Burj Khalifa is expected to be much crazier than the already utopian structures we have been seeing. This building is basically something you see in movies. Like we always do, we provide you with all of the accessible details regarding this structure in this video. Hello guys, this is the Luxury Channel. Please do well to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this one, and also like and share the video. More than 1,000 buildings make up Dubai's skyline, which is home to some of the most ambitious architectural projects in the world, including the Future District, which houses the Museum of the Future, and feats of engineering like the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest human-made structure at 830 meters. Since its completion in 2010, this towering building has come to represent the development and grandeur of Dubai. It is home to the opulent Armani Hotel, as well as residences, dining establishments, and the at-the-top Burj Khalifa Sky Experience, which whisks guests to the 148th floor for jaw-dropping views of the city. With a triple-lobed footprint modeled like the spider lily flower, the 160-story Burj Khalifa was created by Chicago-based Skidmore, Ownings and Morrill, the firm that designed the Sears Tower in Chicago, a previous record holder for the world's tallest building. This magnificent building elevates the city's standing by drawing tourists who view it as a worthwhile spending splurge. It is important to take in the panoramic views of the city from the tower's peak. With gardens all around them, and clouds seemingly within reach, spectators would stop at nothing to capture these moments on camera. As if all of this weren't amazing enough already, the architecture firm Zenra Space has developed a daring idea that will alter the Dubai skyline. This is absolutely one of the most forward-thinking and innovative initiatives ever undertaken. The project will consist of a 550-meter-tall ring that will encircle Burj Khalifa. Known as the Downtown Circle, the project agreed to by Zenra Space for Dubai intends to develop substantial vertical urbanism, which is crucial given the city's growing population. This 3,000-meter diameter megastructure might actually be a better option than the typical single skyscrapers that are isolated from the rest of the horizontal urban fabric. Najmus Chowdhury and Nils Rimes, the founders of Zenra Space, are the minds behind this marvel of architecture. They came up with the idea for this fantastic vertical city concept during the pandemic as a response to Dubai's dense urban fabric. Because of its capacity for sustainability and self-sufficiency, they hope it will challenge conventional views of gated communities and skyscraper residences. The building is intended to hover over Dubai's city and enclose the Burj Khalifa. The structure is made up of two main rings that are connected by a sky park-style green belt that is illuminated by natural light and contains offices and research facilities. One of our targets was agriculture, Rimes says. Usually cities begin with agriculture and then continue with urbanization. Today, many big cities are faced with the problem of how they can add more agriculture. This is one of the aspects we wanted to add into this concept, a self-sufficient city. The Sky Park, which serves as the development's primary axis, will provide stunning sights and fresh air as it encircles the Burj Khalifa. It would have swamps, waterfalls, tropical vegetation, and other flora, serving as a lung for the building. Other natural environments found there will include canyons, sand dunes, and wetlands, among other lush features. The Sky Park will be integrated with offices, research zones, culture, science, and education, and this spatial hybrid will create a new type of modern symbol for the city, a green and natural landmark that serves as a stimulating and exciting platform for people to engage with, experience, and learn in contact with nature. As part of the urban ecosystem, the design will also have spaces for rainwater harvesting technology, solar power generation, and a mechanism for storing carbon and other pollutant filters. The 5 floors of Downtown Circle will be supported by 5 points or pillars that are buried in the ground. The structure's massive scale will be divided into smaller parts and will include a range of office and housing typologies, including lofts, townhouses, and terraced homes, as well as huge offices and living working apartments. The entire ring will also include economic and cultural spaces, according to the national news. The design and sketches, which were produced in partnership with Poland-based visualizations from Pictown, also feature a tram idea for the outer perimeter ring. Passengers will be moved between nodes in the downtown loop by a fleet of hanging peripheral pods. The lower tiers rail system will be used by these suspended vessels as they move through it to get wherever they're going. Pressurized vessels attached to the main lift cores will be used to connect 20 passenger pods that are loaded at the outer perimeter ring. At a height of 500 meters, these hyperpods will fly at speeds of 100 kilometers per hour while providing a 360-degree view of the entire city. The idea behind the design is to create densely populated areas that are also livable. The stunning images and the idea were posted on Zenra Space's Instagram page with a caption stating that the Downtown Circle project creates a sustainable and self-sufficient vertical urbanization as a solution to the conundrum of how to build densely while maintaining livability. It is a single, massive building complex that aspires to develop an incredibly eco-friendly metropolitan core. The projected mega building, which would be 550 meters tall, provides an alternative to the isolated and disconnected high-rises that can be found in most major cities. I think we can all agree that this structure appears to be right out of a Star Wars movie, but when has the Middle East ever shied away from a challenge involving futuristic architecture? One such example is the 1-mile-long Mirror City being built in Saudi Arabia. Check out the video we made about it if you haven't already. What are your thoughts on the Downtown Circle? Do you also think it should be called the Uptown Circle? You know, since it's up there. Let us know what you think in the comments. Also, please subscribe to our channel for more wonderful videos. You can also share the channel link with your friends while you're at it. Thank you and bye for now.